Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making spiced mincemeat, otherwise known as keema. So it's used in sheikh kebabs, rashmi kebabs. It's also used in keema naans. We do put it in some of our curries as well. So it's spiced mincemeat basically. So I know a lot of you have been asking me to kind of list the ingredients, which I'll do in my description, and I'll give a step-by-step guide as well. But I'll put it here as well. So spiced mincemeat, otherwise known as keema. 1 kilo mincemeat we're going to be making. 2 teaspoons of salt. 3 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste. 1.5 teaspoons of desi style mixed powder. 1.5 teaspoons of tandoori paste. Half a teaspoon of Kashmiri paste. 2 teaspoons of red colour. We may go up and down on this. I've never made such a small amount. So this is just a guide for now, but while I make it, I'm going to see, for example, the colour, if there's enough in there or not. So yeah, we're going to start off with a kilo mincemeat. So we've got 1 teaspoon. I think 1.5 would do it. You don't want to overkill it. I've put 2, but I think 1.5 will actually do it. Then you've got 3 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Probably make that up to about 4 actually. And then you've got your desi style mixed powder. Got 1.5. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't matter which order you put it in. It really makes no difference. So then we have our tandoori paste. All Indian restaurants use these. And our Kashmiri tandoori 1.5. Kashmiri is extremely strong, so you want to put less. You know, you're better off putting less than more. So just sort of like a half a teaspoon. So we've got red food colouring here. You don't have to use this. It does nothing to the taste. We just use it to make it look a bit attractive, but some people don't really like food colouring much, so you don't have to really put it. But we as a restaurant, we do put it. So I've got 1 teaspoon there, and then 2. I may need more, but I'm just checking when I need it. If I may need more, but I'm not sure at the moment. I've got everything mixed in there. Like I said, it doesn't matter which order you put it in, it's all going to get mixed up. And then I've got gloves on, there's a reason why, and then you just knead it all together. So I'll put another teaspoon in there of red colouring. Just got to make sure it's all mixed together. And you can tell when it's mixed together because the colouring is a lot. It's more even everywhere. You don't have any blotches of one colour. So once you've kneaded it a little bit, then you can add a sprinkle of coriander in there and some kasuri methi. Just a sprinkle really would do it. This is mainly for the smell. Kasuri methi. And then mix that in as well. Doesn't take long to mix it in. So you want quite a nice reddish colour. And that's done. So there you have it. Keema, spiced mincemeat. And you can make burgers out of this. You can make burgers, sheikh kebabs. Sheikh kebabs we skewer on to a tandoori oven, which I'll show you. But you can make it in a normal oven if you wish. Make sure you keep this airtight. You've got about approximately 3 days to use it. Do not freeze it. Just keep it in the fridge and use it within 3 days.